Hello friends, in today's video we are going to talk about Libertas Omnibus NFT, and there might be a lot of possible potential airdrops that would be coming for Libertas Omnibus holders. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. Please note that none of this is a financial advice. Do your own research before investing into any crypto. So currently the floor price for this is like around 0.04 Ethereum, and you can go to zksync-mint.summon.xyz and you can connect your wallet over here and check if you are eligible for free mint of Libertas Omnibus. If not, then if you want to go ahead and buy it, you can use my sign up referral link in the description for Element Marketplace, where you will be getting some sign up bonus and even I will be getting sign up bonus. So you can purchase it over here if you want to go ahead and purchase it. Now you can go to libertas.summon.xyz, and currently, as you can see, there is something called as Voyagers Welcome. So you will be able to get the access for this Voyagers portal and embark on this journey once the beta is closed. So basically I would advise is you go ahead and register yourself. So just put in your name, your email address, and you can put in your Twitter handle or wallet address, which is optional. You can do that, but I would advise is go ahead and at least fill this form over here. This might help you qualify for the future airdrops on the Libertas Omnibus. Now if we go to this mint over here, as you can see, this is powered by Summon. So what is Summon is basically it has some features over here which is called as lock drop instead of airdrop. So leave airdrops in the past where they belong. Summon lock drops ensures continued engagement and higher retention. So I think since Libertas Omnibus is powered by Summon, in the future you will have to complete certain tasks and activity in order to keep receiving other airdrops. So other airdrops meaning there might be some additional airdrops of the coins and tokens on the Zksync ecosystem. So it can be any of these coin over here, or maybe new coins or new decks that are built on the Zksync era network. Those would be airdrop, hopefully for the Libertas Omnibus NFT holders. So I would advise is at least have like one Libertas Omnibus in your wallet. I actually have more than one LO because I think there is a huge potential for this in the future. Now you can also put your Libertas Omnibus in the pool over here. So this is like LO to ETH pool where you can get additional returns from your Libertas Omnibus NFTs. And then there is something also called as 404 wrapper, where you can wrap your LO NFT for ERC 404 based token, and you can unwrap it at any given point of time. And with regards to the airdrop potential, it's huge because there are a lot of good coins and tokens on the Zksync era that are doing currently pretty good, and especially the meme coins are also doing pretty good. So I would advise is like once again do your own research. If you feel like if you want to own one Libertas Omnibus NFT, if you don't hold one right now, once again use the sign up referral link in the description for Element Marketplace, where you will be getting 20 LE worth of sign up bonus, and even I will be getting some bonus out of it. So this is all for this video, and in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.